I am here to tell you about the key features of the Ballasted solar mounting system manufactured by Landpower Solar. This product is specially designed for large-scale flat roof module installations. The versatile design allows us to use the system in a wide variety of different projects. Framed modules can be installed on a flat metal roof with a tilt angle from 5 to 45 degrees in a landscape, portrait or east-west configuration. Durable and corrosion-resistant materials, SUS 304 stainless steel and AL 6005 aluminium alloy in T5 temper as the main system material, ensure structural strength, operational safety and a long service life, estimated by us as 20 years. High quality materials and a proven design guarantee operational stability and safety, as well as the ability to stand up to wear and tear and weather extremes, including wind loads of up to 216 km per hour and snow loads of up to 1.4 kilonewtons per square metre. A ballasted mount installation offers all the benefits of solar panels without the impact to your roof. The ballast blocks safely secure an array to the roof by their weight without the need to penetrate the roof. This allows to simplify and quicken the installation process, excluding more costly and potentially problematic penetration seals. In addition to the non-penetration benefit, use of a grid of interconnected ballast blocks allows us to spread the weight load more evenly, reducing the required ballast weight in individual parts of the array, thus ensuring that there is no overload and saving costs. On request, our solar racking system can be not only pre-designed with a fixed angle, but also an adjustable angle. Because the system support is highly pre-assembled, it allows it to be used both as a ballasted system by adding tray onto the bottom tube and as a system directly on the concrete block. Our components are factory pre-assembled too. The special extruded aluminium rail, the tilt-in module, the clamp kit and the round leg are all pre-assembled, ensuring fast and easy installation and saving you labour costs. To ensure you are making a safe investment, we offer 10-year product warranty for these. Reliability, quality and structural strength of our ballast are confirmed by the industry standard certifications, including SGS, 𝐊𝐶𝐲, Australian AS/NZ 1170 and others. Landpower Solar Technology is an innovative manufacturer specialising in developing and producing solar mounting systems, solar racking components and solar panel frames with experience of more than 12 years. In order to provide top-notch technologies in this field, we highly rely on our research and development team. High quality, versatility and efficiency of our products make them popular with customers from various countries around the world. Examples of our flat roof solar mounting projects include a 1.5 megawatt ballasted flat concrete roof mounting system in Belgium, a 1.5 megawatt corrugated metal roof projects in Belgium, 1.1 megawatt east-west flat roof mounting system in the Philippines, and many others.